How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So about 3 weeks ago I put a video up saying I'm removing my tactical racing Sunstrip. If any companies want to get in touch and get their Sunstrip put on, drop me a message and we'll sort some out. So literally no one was messaging me, so I was about to buy a tactical racing Sunstrip. So last night I thought, after football I'm gonna go online and order it. And then literally as I got home, going through my messages, got a message from Zed Signs saying they're launching a new business venture which will be linked to Signs, and they want to work on my car, so my car will be like a guinea pig. So they want to test some of their products on my car. So I said, why not, let's do it. So literally come down today morning to get it done. So I'm just on my way to gym right now. They're going to crack on with it and let's see what they get done. So I've just been in there, discussed like what I wanted, what font, what style thing I want and what colour and stuff like that. So hopefully they do a good job. I hope they do. So I'm just on my way to gym because my gym's not far from their place. So I'm going to go to the gym, do a big session there, and we'll see how this turns out. So check out Zed Signs. I can't really say much about what they're doing, but follow Zed Signs and Zed's print store. It'll be over here and it'll be in the description below. Give them a follow and stay tuned. They've got something big coming. I can't say much about it, so you'll probably see once I put on the car anyways. We've discussed a few other things if everything goes to plan. So I'm gonna go gym now and I'll join you guys when I'm on my way back. Right guys, so I'm back from the gym. Car is literally about 30 seconds away from me. So if I flip the camera, you'll see what I've had done. So I'm just gonna turn the camera now. Right, so if you look at the back window, you can see I've branded it with my YouTube stickers. So the red ones to match the car and the YouTube logo, and the white just to make it stand out. Looks so good, And if you come to the side, I've got my YouTube and my Instagram. So you can't miss these stickers. How far can you see it from? Yeah, you can't miss them. You can't miss them stickers. So I better get at least one subscriber from this. And then if I come to the front, I got a gloss black Sunstrip on. I told them to put their like logo or something on, but they said not yet because we've got other plans coming up. We're discussing a few other things, and they said to do this side last because they've got something for me. So they were saying that they've left the tape on, I think it's called tape, and they want me to take this off. So I'm not a professional at this, so I might just mess it up. I always mess everything up, so fingers crossed. So on this side. Top. Come on. It is quite windy today, so that's one thing off, one layer. I don't know why this is not coming off. Right, we've got that. Come on. Literally every time one comes off, the other one gets stuck. So if I can bring this forward a bit, it's a bit hard doing it by myself. Let me cut the camera off, I'll come back. Right, so I've finally taken it off without any issues. So if I go all the way around now, the back, I'm trying to see if I can spot any faults, but I can't. Yeah, there's nothing. Yeah, it looks so good, I'm going to do a little test to see if these stickers will stay on by the time I get home. There's a nice little countryside road on the way home, so obviously I'm going to be flooring it. Let's see if these stickers stay on. So if you look at it closely, they're all on nicely. They're all on here as well, and here. So on the way home now, I want to see if they stay on. What do we reckon? Will they stay on or will they come off? Will we lose a letter? Let's see. So have all the stickers stayed on then? Let's see. It's this side. Just have a look. Can you see it? Any missing? Nope, they're all there. Onto the back. Any missing? Nope, they're all there. Onto the side I took off. They're all there. It's passed its test. I'm staying on in the speed on the countryside roads. Now let's just see if they can hack the rain. Obviously the sun's out today, so you can't complain. Right guys, so the stickers and the Sunstrip are now on. You can see in my rear window, you can see like what it looks like from the inside, and it looks so good. It's not blocking anything, so I can still see out the rear window. It looks good. I'm trying to find faults, like little like bubbles, or if its placement's a bit off, but it's literally perfect. I want to say a massive thank you to Zed. They don't want to be on camera, so I can't really get them on for them to explain, but they literally do like signs, you know, like for shops and stuff, your stickers. I've got a hoodie that I've given to them as well, so I'm gonna get that branded with my YouTube stuff. So I'll just walk around in the car shows with that on, get a bit of promo. So they do a bit of everything. Just drop them a message and they'll sort you out, yeah. And if they can't do it, they know people that can, so they can refer you to other people. So yeah, drop a message, give them a follow, say you come for my video, they'll sort you out. We've been discussing a few other things, a few other big plans, but once they launch, so who knows, this car might have a lot more changes to it from these guys. So yeah, that's been my new Sunstrip and my new promotion stickers. I just want to say a massive thank you to the guys once again for sorting it all out. Literally quick turnover. We spoke last night and today morning he's got me in and we've smashed it out. They've done it whilst I was in the gym, so hats off to them guys. I was literally walked to the gym, did a session, come back, about 2.5 to 3 hours. They said they were done within an hour and a bit, so the car's just been sat here, they're waiting for me. So make sure you check them out guys. They're cheap, they're cheapest about, and trust, I'm speechless. It looks good. What shall I do with the Sunstrip? Shall I put like a design on it, or shall I just leave it plain? And obviously if any other companies want to get in touch, that want to use my car as a guinea pig, let's just say, I don't mind, as long as it doesn't mess anything up with my car. So I'm trusting you guys with my car. So nothing over the top, nothing too stupid. So if anyone wants to help with the build, let me know. Message me on my Instagram, it'll be right here, and let's get something sorted. So imagine, because I've been working and I've been quite busy with my YouTube and stuff, I've not had time to like order my Sunstrips. So imagine the timing on that. I literally was about to order the tactical racing Sunstrip. I literally sat down, I thought let me just check my messages, and I saw this message come up. So imagine if I did check my messages and I ordered it. So crazy timing on that, crazy. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video guys. I'm sorry if I can't show too much because they didn't want to be on camera. Hopefully in the near future they don't mind being on camera. So yeah, like I said, follow my Instagram, it'll be in the description below, and I shall see you guys in the next one.
And every day is a lesson. In the now, like this ain't depression. And shaitan in my ear, like grab that, you can't lie, yeah, it's tempting. And heart of a soldier, what? Think I'm phased by riding.